Here we go. All right. All right. Next up, it's a big slice. All right. Get some ice in there, because it's ice cream. Need some sugar. Little sugar. Just a little sugar. All right, most important part. Here we go. Give it that mix. Give it that mix. You think that's enough? All right.
Oh, Sean.
Oh.
He's gonna get so sick later.
You should try it. I need another opinion.
No.
Marv? Okay.
Blueberries Clubhouse. Blueberries Clubhouse. Blueberries Clubhouse.
Join us in the Clubhouse, where everyone has a view of all the wonderful things to do.
And that's the story of how Max got me out of that tree and how we became best friends.
What are you working on, Chef Sean?
Sean's coming up with a new recipe for ice cream, girls.
Ice cream? Well, we already have 14 1/3 gallon of Neapolitan on the third shelf in the southwest corner of the freezer.
How do you know that? Campers aren't allowed in the freezer.
I'm psychic?
Yeah?
Prove it.
Okay,
You got this, Blue.
Chef Sean will be visited by somebody from his past. Somebody who will help him solve his problem.
Well, it is a doozy of a problem, I will tell you that. This has been the best and worst week of my life. First, Camp gets a letter. Camp Cook magazine wants us to submit a recipe to their annual recipe contest. I have been waiting years for this invite, right? So I get all of my stuff together. I am ready to go, I am raring. And then come to find out, this year's theme is
ice cream.
What's so wrong? Lots of people make their own ice cream.
Do you? Do you make your own ice cream? Do you have your own recipe? Because if you do, you gotta share it with me. It's Camp Cook code, right?
What? No, I'm just a kid.
I thought you could make anything, Chef Sean.
Yeah, well, apparently I missed out on the ice cream genes in my family, Blueberry.
Oh, who can we call? Is there an Arkansas ice cream expert?
What? No experts.
Let's call Sasha.
Okay.
Nope, no Sasha. No. Give me that. Do it.
Miles!
Woohoo, Sasha! She sounds helpful.
She isn't.
Sasha is the ice cream queen of Arkansas and Sean's sister.
Sister?
Yes, I have a sister. Sasha actually came to Camp Onomatopoeia, but then we grew up and she got all fancy with her white aprons and culinary school. Oh, she's way better than me at everything now.
Oh, Sean, that's not true.
Yes, it is. I can't cook anything as good as Sasha.
Well, if Miles hadn't shown up at camp last summer and helped with the kite festival, we wouldn't have flown. Sometimes siblings do help.
Well, if you guys insist on creating a recipe with Sasha, then you obviously don't need me around.
No, Sean! Wait, Sean, wait! Where are you going? Sean, we don't know how to make ice cream. Where are you going?
I'm taking a walk.
Wait. What do we do without Sean, Max? Okay, Blueberry, I'll bring back Sean. you've got to be in charge.
Well, Max, this is the kind of thing that you and I do together. I don't know if Miles and Sophie will listen, and I don't even know if I could teach them how to do it.
I know you can.
Well, let's call the ice cream queen, I guess.
Hello? Wait, is this Camp Onomatopoeia?
Yes, yes. Is this Sasha, the ice cream queen?
I don't know about Queen, but this is Sasha. Is my cool brother Sean there?
No, not right now. But he left me in charge. We need your help with something very important.
He didn't want to talk to me, did he? He's always giving me the cold shoulder.
Sean's shoulders are fine, Sasha. But Camp Onomatopoeia needs an ice cream recipe today!
Sean needs my help?
Yes!
All right, let's do it!
Oh, hey, Max.
Hey, Chef Sean. How are you?
I'm great. Peach keen. Never been better. I'm just fine. Why would you ask?
Oh, wow. I just thought this was a storage shed for life jackets and paddles and stuff.
Well, yeah, we use it for storage now, but that's not what Banana's Cabana was built for.
Bananas what?
Banana's Cabana. Long ago, there was an entrepreneurial little fellow named Bartholomew Q. Banana. Bartholomew Banana first came to Camp Onomatopoeia as a traveling candy salesman. He had a whole wagon full. He was a great salesman. Bartholomew knew that if campers spent their days swimming and playing ball, they'd get hungry before the dinner bell. By the end of his first week, Bartholomew had completely sold out. That's when he had the idea for the cabana. Banana's Cabana, the grandest cabana for candy that Manna has ever bananaed.
So, this whole thing was built on candy money?
Indeed it was. Bartholomew was an impressive fella.
If he was so impressive, then what happened to him? Where is he now?
What happened to him? Well, that's a banana of a different color. And a story for another time. And that time is right now.
All right, campers, ready?
I don't know.
We have the ingredients, Blueberry, but we need your help. You can do this, Blueberry.
Blueberry, just take a breath and listen to me. It's important you ask questions if you get confused, okay?
Okay.
Ice cream's really easy to make. You just need these ingredients: salt,
Salt,
ice,
ice,
sugar,
sugar,
milk,
milk,
and time.
start your engines. Did I go too fast?
When the ice cream is finished, the machine sounds different, so we have to listen.
Oh, just like I listened to your instructions for the recipe.
Exactly.
Now we wait. Thanks for your help today, Sasha.
Hey, Blueberry, is Sean back yet?
No, not yet. I'm not sure how long he'll be, but I'll tell him you said hi. Bye-bye. Good work, friends. We did it.
You see, Bartholomew's problem was he never listened. Bartholomew sank all of his candy money into this snazzy shack stand, but he wasn't much on recipes. I mean, candy cane hot dogs? Oh, yikes. jelly bean chili?
Jelly bean chili.
Who wants that? The campers wanted to help him, but Bartholomew was too stubborn. He didn't listen to the campers. He didn't listen to the experts.
Too stubborn, much too stubborn, too stubborn.
Why didn't Bartholomew just listen to the campers?
Bananas are notoriously stubborn. You know, his dream of the cabana would be booming today if he'd only listened.
Well, it's kind of like you and Sasha. She probably could have helped you come up with a great ice cream recipe. If only you would have listened.
Really are growing up, Max. It's really irritating. All right, nobody panic, I'm back. What has happened?
Welcome back. We made ice cream.
Really?
2 different recipes for you to choose from.
Chocolate and vanilla.
Wow, well, let's give it a try. Sweet Pete, that's phenomenal! Those are delicious!
You did all this by yourselves?
Well, not by ourselves. Sasha helped.
My sister, Sasha?
Uh-huh.
She's still on the thing.
Well, we hung up a while ago.
Oh,
You were gone a long time. I thought you didn't want Sasha to help us.
well, changed my mind. I'd like to thank her for helping us out with this recipe submission. Big sisters, they can really help out a lot, if you're willing to listen.
Hey, little brother.
You're right, Chef Sean. Sasha did help. She taught me how important listening can be when it comes to making ice cream.
Listening is very important when it comes to ice cream. And with big sisters. Thanks, sis. You're welcome in my mess hall anytime.
Thanks, but Blueberry's really giving me too much credit.
Yeah?
She led the charge today.
I knew you could do it, Blueberry.
Oh, thanks, Max.
Yeah, let's talk of it.
You're gonna do just fine next year at camp without me.
Without you.
Blueberry, this year I'm a big bear. Sophie's my bear cub. You only get to be a big bear on your very last year of camp.
This is your last summer at camp?
Whew, what a week, Marv. Oh, I tell you, to be a good brother and a better chef, you gotta be a good listener.
Huh? Oh, sorry, I zoned out.
Okay, all right. So, when somebody is talking to you, you gotta pay attention and you gotta ask questions about the things you don't understand. And then really think about what they said and then summarize what they said back to them before you put what you learned into action.
So what you're saying is, good listening is more than just being quiet. It means thinking about what's being said.
Bingo, buddy. You are a great listener, Marv. That's right.